Right, I'm back at Alsford Lighting in our hometown of Alton, Hampshire. Adrian has left me shopping for lights. So this is a huge showroom that we've been in before, where we found the lampshades for the salon. Let's get inside and see what we can find. So, searching for the wall lights for the hallway. I'm actually a little bit spoiled for choice in here. You've obviously got the candle sconces that are quite simple. Well, they're quite polished though, obviously, because they're not antique. But I think it's the only way we're going to be able to find four the same. I do have a liking to these ones. And then we could hang lanterns to match. All these are too polished for our liking. We have the double shaded sconce, which I really like, the double shades. And that will bring 8 bulbs of light into the hallway along with the chandelier. So the more lights the better. We then come on to these English castle lighting, completely different to Chateau lighting, obviously. It's a shame that's lit. I wonder what that looks like. Ooh, I rather like this one. It's too modern for the Chateau, but I do like the way the light points downwards. Whole arrangement of different coloured shades in here to go with the lighting that we find eventually. We've got the old wrought iron as well, but that's not a look that I'm going for. Ooh, that's rather nice. 150 though. 4 of them is going to set us back quite a lot, and that's way over budget. I found here shades with the gold inner, which I really still love. So while I'm in Hampshire in England, I'm hoping to change the horse's head lamp, and that would be my next stop. There's a whole arrangement of lamps here that would look absolutely gorgeous in the Chateau, and they have the finials. But we have crystal ones coming from America, courtesy of Rob. And now resorted to their clearance section, maybe a little better price. We've got loads of little lampshades here. And I have just found this one here, which is black, like the horse's head, with the gold insert. How cool is that? I think there's only one though. That's just typical, isn't it? This little one of a gold trim, but they're all odd. The chances of finding me anything in here that's suitable, all four the same, is very slim indeed. So now I'm at the paint shop, brewers, decorators, choosing more paints, and there's too many paints to choose from. After quite a lot of deliberating, we have finally chosen. There he goes, good old Richard carrying my paint for me.
I've had a van, not a roller skate.
Needs must do.
The size of this thing.
Back inside Culinary Concepts to change the horse's lamp, and it appears that if you actually force the top of the stem, it is a ball joint. Now that's something that we really did want to do ourselves, but now we know. Although we have changed it for a little bit of a straighter one, that was not a faulty lamp.
Right, so I'm back at NEC in Birmingham.
And same as last year, I don't know if everyone remembers that, I've got to build 7 exhibition stands. Thankfully they've given us a little bit more time than last year. But this place you won't recognise come tomorrow, which I'll show you. What that does mean there's no work at the Chateau. But I'll be back very soon. So we're up at the show and guess what? Right, so our work's done, all built. Stands are up, as you can see. Everyone's happy. And let the games begin, as they say. Well, I get a day off today. The exhibition's all built, so Carol's dragged me to the White Line Antiques again. She's been here before and we showed it on video. As if we're going to see if they got some sconces or whatever they're, peaks. And, oh, you gained one.
He's promised to be on his very, very, very best behaviour today.
You're going to be on your best behaviour, Zach?
Not going to touch a thing, are you, Zach? It's not the best place to take a child, but
hey ho.
Babysitting and you don't have much time, you don't get much say in it.
Oh, it's good to see him though. Okay, so we're going to have a wander in and we've got a little shopping list, see what we can find.
Lemon, what have you found?
Look, these. Can you see them flickering?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What are they?
Look what I have
He said, what are they to you?
Sorry, they are lights.
Lights.
Yes. I found sconce.
You found 2 sconces? 3?
Oh, there's only 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. No, Adrian.
Wow.
It says there's 4 available. Was 5. Now there's 4
Available.
available.
We need to find one that looks like that.
£59.
What, for all 4?
Well, it doesn't say otherwise.
Well, that's a bargain.
I'm going to go and ask her if there is 3 or 4.
I think I may have seen one. That, I will show very, very carefully,
Is the 4th.
is the 4th.
And they're double. That's what I was looking for.
Double. Very.
Is that the sort of look you're after? I mean, these are the only bits I don't like.
I saw a photo in the Ritz in Paris the other day that had these with the little shades on top. And oh, while we were at the exhibition working the other day, I found some really small black shades. They looked dark blue black with a gold inside, just like the horse lamp.
Oh, that would go well.
I could get 4 of those. Right, I'm going to run downstairs
Reserve.
and see if they're 89 or 59.
So this frame caught our eye. Very nice frame actually. And then I've just seen the information on it. George William Mote. Painting of the Surrey Hills. £8,500.
Look how fancy these are. Look,
Nicely.
Oh, okay.
you can touch those ones.
Not my cup of tea, but okay.
It's alright, because they're not for sale either.
Oh, aren't they?
Typical, isn't it?
Okay. There's probably only 3 of them, not 4.
There's only 2.
Glamour, what have you found?
4.
What?
Is that 4? I can't
Yeah,
work out
4
what colour they are,
million.
though. What colour are they,
I
Zach?
think blue.
Oh, perfect answer.
Where'd you get blue from?
Blue, 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 blue.
What What colour's Glamour's dress then?
Black.
You're colourblind.
You're colourblind, definitely.
So I'm trying to work out
You're
2
black.
times pairs, £10. If they're £10 for the 4, then that's, yeah.
That's worth having.
Good price, yeah. And
Okay.
if they are, I haven't got my glasses on, are they blue?
Well, you're blind as well, are you?
Blue and gold, would they go for the hallway?
Middle.
I don't see why not. Wow, that price. I know someone will buy
I
them
don't
off you if you
want
don't want them.
Right.
Let's find out.
I want this.
Okay. Golden girl.
Look what
He's
I
going
found.
golden.
If only I'd found this
Golden.
before the party.
What? You'd have got Terry to wear it. He'd look good in that.
I could have worn that for the party.
You could have.
And it's only £75.
Only?
It's too late now.
Oh dear, oh well. Can always have another party.
So we found out the price for these 4. There are 4. I mean, you can't see them very well on this carpet. And the lowest they'll go is 190.
180, 45 each.
Yes, you're right, sorry. And there is one shade missing though, but to be honest, they're just plastic tubes, I think.
Plastic, yeah. I mean, actually, that's probably just plumber's pipe.
I think it actually might be.
I think they could.
So-
They definitely work, don't they?
Yes, I think we should take those. You're umming and ahhing. What's your umming and ahhing for?
No, only the fittings are different, so we know we're going to have 2 different bulbs in there. I'm only umming and ahhing because the brightness will be different on the 2 different bulbs, but the distance we're putting them apart, you'll never know, would you? And you're going to put lampshades on these.
Little shades on
Yeah,
them.
little shades. You'll never know. No, possible to know.
So we'll take those fittings and the rope holdbacks
Tassels.
as well, the tassel
Yeah.
holdbacks that I found
That was a
before.
bargain.
Barbie.
Yeah. Should we take him as well?
Should we leave you here, Zach?
Have a look.
What have you built?
I feel that.
You built a tower?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we go home and have some lunch now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We will still need to find, though, fitting for the ceiling. But finding a brass fitting chandelier for the ceiling is so simple. It's so easy. It just depends on how much you want to pay for it. So we brought Hazir and Bethany to the Velodrome. Sorry, not the Velodrome. The Velorail for a bit of working off their Sunday roast. Necessary. They always make me do all the work around here. Oh, shush. Look, we've got to turn this thing around before we can use it. Luckily at this end there's a turntable, but as you go further down the track you actually lift the whole bike off to let people come past. Because it is one track, one way, there and there. So who's cycling first? No.
Can I take my shirt off? No. Oh, mine doesn't work. Does yours work?
I like to ride my bicycle. My bicycle. They like to ride.
Hello. Hello.
There's always one idiot. It's always Adrian.
Keep pedaling.
Oh, look at this professional look.
Only ever come here to do work.
About time, you
Never
girls.
holiday.
Are you letting Beth do all the work? Oh no, we're going to power across.
No, we can stop and take the scenery. Oh, look down there.
It's so pretty.
Look at the state of your hat.
Thank you.
Yes.
Look at the state of your hair.
Yes.
It's not a fashion parade.
It's the speed you're going at.
We're in the most idyllic village of Alsford, not far from our hometown, and it is absolutely glorious here. I'm going to show you some house prices though that are going to horrify you. But at the moment I'm just trying to find Zach, who's run off with Rebecca and Bethany. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, there they are, look. Let's carry on down.
Whoa, hello, Mr. Swan.
Oh, so beautiful.
Oh, feet.
Carrying along the river, this is the most idyllic cottage ever, but it's not very private, it's very overlooked because this is a public bridleway. Very, very popular. If you can see here behind the roses that they've put up, they've built a new building. I think that may actually be for rental.
Can we sell our chateau and buy the cottage back again?
We actually can't.
Oh, okay.
Because the price of this cottage is probably in the region of 2 million.
We won't be buying the cottage.